Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
I'm back.
Oh my god. Anyway guys, I am finally back with the Bendy rods. Is it Bendy? Yes, I think it's Bendy rods. I'll put the proper name at the bottom. So I'm finally back with this tutorial. We're not going to speak a lot today. I've decided to do it on my sister's hair. So we wash the hair, normal shampoo, conditioner. I won't be applying any types of products. It depends on, I think it depends on your hair and how you want your hair to be. But my sister's hair is thinner than mine, so I'm not putting on anything. So here's a few options. If you want to, you can add some mousse. This is normal mousse that I got by Discam. And then you can put on gel, or you can put on your Auntie Jackie's curling cream if you want the curls to be more defined. But with her, she doesn't need all of that things, and because her hair is so thin, it gets too quick oily, so I don't want to apply anything. Then afterwards, you can also add some extra hold spray. So this is the Bendy.
This is just water.
Yeah, that's water. So the hair is starting to get dry because we came out of the shower. So this is the Bendy rods. I have 10 here. I have 20 in total, but it depends how much you want to use. Then there's also two ways of using this rods, and I struggled the first time, so I'm going to show you the proper one. So let's get into this video. So I am going to ask my sister to keep her hair so that it can go fast. So the hair is semi-wet.
You must just tell them how long you're keeping it in so that they can.
Yes.
If you try it at home, send us pictures over.
So we're putting the
Instagram
hair
there.
in the middle. Let's see if there's a comb. Okay, we have the comb. So let's part the hair like this. We're just parting the hair in the middle, guys. It also depends how your hair falls in front, like the way you make it in front. So I'm starting at the back with a section. Then my sister can keep, you can also grip it. Then this is the section that I am going to start with. So depending on how dry the hair is, if you feel you need more water, you can use water. Then the first way, this is the way I tried it first, but it didn't work out. By putting the bendy roller here by the root and then wrapping the hair around it. Some people do it like this, but because this is the cheaper rods, and if you do this and you fold it close, then it doesn't last long, and then the curl come out afterwards, like the hair comes out, and that was very irritating for me. So right now I'm starting at the end. So I will zoom in here so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm literally going to do this until the end and wrap it in like that, because then the hair is more secured. Up until you get to the root. Is that tight enough?
Yes.
And then you can just fold it in and secure it like that. I feel it's more secured this way. You can also add bobby pins or something to hold it, or you can get it small elastics. It's like 5 rand. I think it's like 5 rand, because sometimes this feels too loose. Depending on, I get very quick irritated. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll show you another one. Then afterwards, we will show you when the head is finished. Then, depending on if you are in a hurry or not, you can always take the hair dryer and just blow over the rods until the hair is dry, or you can sleep with it overnight. You have to find a way how to sleep with it. You can sleep with it overnight, or you can sit in the sun. It all depends on you. So let me just show you. Let's zoom in. I take the end and then I twist the hair in like that, making sure that the end is secured. I feel this is much more secure than the wrapping from the root, because the wrapping from the root is going to make me sick, and I don't feel like getting sick right now. So yes guys, in 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay guys, so I decided I'm going to show you the last piece here in front, just for the last time, the way I'm twisting it in. So you have to twist the hair in the way you want the curl to come out, basically. You don't have to see me, you have to see the hair. Just wetting the hair bits. So let's zoom in again. So I'm twisting it in like that, so that the curl can fall like that. So this is the way I'm twisting it in. Twist, twist, twist. Basically, and then you twist in there, and you can either twist it like that, or you can twist it the other way around. You need to twist it the way you want it to. So either way, you can either dry it like I said with the hair dryer, just like this. But if you don't want to use any sorts of heat, remember you won't be applying direct heat on there. You're just going to dry it, or you can stand in the wind or in the sun, or you can overnight with it if you want to sleep like this.
Uncomfortable, basically.
So we will be back with the result. Okay guys, so we are back. She walked with it for a few hours, and then we just took the dryer on cool setting, and then just the few ones here that still felt wet. So we are taking it out now. You can roll it back. It's very easy to take it out. Okay guys, some of the pieces is still wet. That's a bummer. So I will advise you to leave it until it's completely dry. The best way is to sleep with it, because you can see this one is wet. Let me just lift the hair. This one is wet, and look at the front one. Look how it's supposed to be like that, jumped up. Because we were in a hurry, that's why it's still wet. But you can still see curls. It's like loose wavy, but tighter than wavy curls. Just show you my back and front. Some on that side is also still, but you can push it to the back and still style it. Yes. So guys, I advise you to leave it until it's completely dry, then it comes out perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like the front part. No, not like that.
Volumey for me. Guys, I'm not the curly type. I will just
doesn't like curly.
I will just make curls with a flat iron, but I don't like volume because I have thin hair and I'm so used to thin hair.
No, I love it. Like the front, you can see the front pieces is dry. That's why it looks so nice. Please come a bit in the camera for them to see. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, wait until it's completely dry and it comes out perfect. And I hope you guys like the video and you try it at home. So until next time.